Hello everybody, I welcome you once again into another video. Now in this video, I'm not going to waste time. I'm just strictly going to show you how you can get your indicators from your desktop to your derivative platform and then to your charts. Okay, so if you have Telegram on your laptop, I've not installed Telegram yet, but I use it on the other one. If you have not installed Telegram on your laptop, what you can do is go to the Telegram on your laptop, go to the particular chart history. When you get to where the indicator is that I've sent to you, all you have to do is right click on the indicator and it will show you show in folder. When you click on show in folder, it takes you to the exact file where the indicator is. So all you have to do is to drag such indicator to your desktop. Okay, now when you get the indicator to your desktop, so what you do next is to come open your derivative platform just like this one. So once your derivative platform is opened, all you have to do is come to file, click on file and go to open data folder. Once you've opened data folder, go to MQL, which is this. Let me show you. Where's my pen? Okay, let me show you so you can see it clearly. I think this is it. This is it here. Okay, MQ what? MQL 5. Just double click on it and it opens to you. Look at indicators again. Look for where it's written indicators, which is this. Okay, now good. So after that indicator, all you have to do is double click on the indicator to open it and then go to that file or indicator on your desktop and drag and drop it there. You can see it's entered there already. It's there already. And then all you have to do is to what go back and then probably you can close that particular window and then go to view navigator. Okay, right click on view indicator, you see refresh. Just click on refresh and you have your indicator already in your derivative platform. So all you have to do is to come to the navigator and drag and drop it on your chart. So we put the reversal indicator there. Let's go and get it. I think okay, here it is. Look at it here. Reversal indicator right there. Okay, everything is set. So just click on it and you have it there. Can you see? So that is how you can take that's how you can take your indicator from your Telegram to your derivative platform and begin to use it. Okay, so for those of you who have already gotten this indicator, my advice is that you use from 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and even 30 minutes. Okay, that's where you can get much. You won't get much in 1 minute time frame using the reversal indicator. It will look like it's lagging, whereas it is not lagging. Okay, it's not lagging. When you look at 5 minutes, 15 and 30 minutes, you understand what I'm trying to say. Market goes a long way. Now this is 15 minutes time frame. Let me go to this is 5 minutes time frame. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame. You can see. So for 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, you see it showing all through down 15, 15, 15 minutes. Okay, it spent about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 hour down here. You can see for moving back up again. For it came down here. Okay, moving back up again, the indicator didn't still what show up. So you take a trading opportunity whenever is coming down because it cannot go up and still give you a buy signal here. When you see it going up, it means it's going to come down for you to get a buy signal in this zone. You understand? So when it goes up, an opportunity for you to come down with it. Okay, so you can see using the higher time frame, all you have to do once the indicator shows up somewhere around here, the market could be somewhere here before it shows up to be very sure, or somewhere here before it shows up to be very sure. Once it shows up, all you have to do is enter. Looking at this particular zone, you can see this zone is a tight zone. All you have to do is enter and put your target somewhere here. Okay, you can leave it for long. That's for 1, 2, 3, for 1 hour plus. So 1 hour time frame is a higher time frame is very profitable using this indicator. All right, so please try and practice how to install indicators on your derivative platform from your Telegram. Okay, most of you that I send the indicator to your Telegram, this is how you can do it. There are a lot of newbies who have contacted me. They wanting me to uh, push the what's it called, the deadline of this my giveaway. So I'm going to consider that, and please, like I told you, there are two things that might happen. I may increase the price, or I may not sell at all, because I don't want this to be in the hand of too many people. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be posting new videos and new strategies very soon, that will profit you guys. And I have two very solid mobile strategy which you can adopt and use to trade. Remember, derivative is not your friend. Once you get some profit, close. Once you get some profit, close. Derivative is not, that doesn't want you to make money at all. Okay, there's a saying that goes, whatever money that is made on derivative stays in derivative, doesn't go out. To show you how determined they are, derivative is not your friend. Remember that. Thank you very much and have a wonderful time. Okay.